theta by 2, which will get you 2t cos of the angle 90 minus d theta by 2, which is to eventuate to d theta by 2. How? This will get you sine d theta by 2, and sine d theta by 2 can be solo presented as d theta by 2, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Then to be marked T d theta. T d theta. T d theta, therefore, is the net force towards the center. T d theta is the net force towards the center. And this force has got a counter. It has got a counter, right there. Counter against what is this force positioned? This force is positioned against what is the B
Magnetic.
field to do
Magnetic
to
force.
arc? What is the B field to do this arc to? Tell me, what is the B field to do this arc to? Will it
Sir,
not push
upward.
it out?
Upward force.
Yeah.
Okay, it will push it out. With what force? F is equal to, or dF is equal to I into dl cross B, correct? I into dl cross B, correct dear? All of you, check it out.
Yes, sir.
So that force is courtesy B field and is in which direction? Think about it. You have taken a very small segment. Let me remind you.
Sir, upward.
Let me remind you, you have taken a very small segment. So much so, you can assume it to be a straight line. Please be mindful of me being contradicting my statements. And yes, I am. I see it on that front. I have taken r d theta as arc, and in the same breath, what I am to say, or what I am into saying is, we can take it to be a straight line of length r d theta. I am to my suit taking it. If not, you will take small parts and see you will be taking some liberties over here to get the same. R d theta is the length. Can we say dl is nothing but r d theta then? Check it here.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Angle between them 90
Yes,
degree,
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do we get df as? df is I r d theta into b. Agreed?
Hmm.
And in which direction? Opposite to TD theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
What do we get tension from here? Tell me, dear.
Sir, IRB.
Yes. And there was a question in test where I asked you
Yes, sir.
on the loop, but I got you there. Young's modulus of elasticity. A question, one of its kind. And you have to get these questions in the test series which is being launched. And that test series will have expanse of 5 months. Every week there will be a test. And the test will go for PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. You'll be getting deliberation on physics, and math and chemistry you will be getting solutions of. If possible to deliberate, I will deliberate even. But I'm not committing on physics, on chemistry and maths. You will certainly get solution on chemistry and maths. Physics, you will have deliberation. It will go for 5 good months. It will continue till November end or December. So that is about the test series which I am getting enrollment now done for. Now we get T is equal to BIR here. Okay. You will with the same power what you did when you were taking examination with. Try that question. Yes, you should be rather conversant with Young's modulus of elasticity. That also is to be factored in. Okay, so this being one, let us go to the last theoretical part of this topic, and that is solenoid. Last theoretical part of this topic, which is solenoid. Write down. What's the time, Krish?
So the time is 3.
3. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Yes, Krish.
Yes, sir. For this one, for the test series, which all days will it be held?
It will be held on Saturdays and Sundays, yeah. Whichever day is convenient, and be held at the VR so that it doesn't get in any way juxtaposed with your classes. Okay? In the VR means I can position it at 5 o'clock early in the morning or earlier. Or earlier. Is it okay?
Yeah, so late is not, I don't prefer late in the night, so that's why.
Yeah, that is okay with me either. So I'm placing it morning. Okay? We are also early risers. So I'll be placing in morning to my suit either on Saturday or Sunday, but the early hours. Those who want to take it late at night, they will be taking after of that day's end. Okay? That means late in night will go beyond 12. Is it okay? I'm not questioning on your body clock. Your body clock should not be adjusted at this point in time. If you early rise, good, take it at 4 o'clock. If you want to sleep late, take it at 12 o'clock. I'll keep myself awake, don't worry. Yes, Krish.
Sir, and you'll tell the portions, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Portions are to be told you much beforehand. Yeah, portion are to be indicated on 4th person. 4th, I will indicate you of the portion. Okay? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Now this another one. Solenoid, write down.
So
Yes,
fourth means fourth.
4th of July. 5th we are into commencing.
Oh yes.
5th is Sunday. 4th of July. Okay? Yeah. Please write. Solenoid. Let us take an infinitely long solenoid. Let us take an infinitely long solenoid. Now, this is in a way, you can say a disaster in very adventure. Why? Because I'm talking of something which cannot be realized. So what is the actual figure? We have always been talking of infinite terms, right, dear? And how can we actualize these? We can actualize them by being close to them, right, dear? Remember, what did I say against? Remember, what did I say against? Infinite sheet. What did I tell you? Be very close to it, correct?
Yeah.
Infinite thread. What you have to do? Close to it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, infinite solenoid means you have taken a solenoid which is actually of infinite length, or you have taken a solenoid which has got length much larger in comparison to radius. Got it?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes,
The
sir.
radius of solenoid, the radius of the former, we call former, on which we would. Technically, it is called former. Is it okay? So the radius of former is insignificant in comparison to length of former. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
That is what we mean when we say we are referring to infinite solenoid. That is what we mean. So we have taken infinitely long solenoid which carries